Hello friends, welcome back. Now we'll read about the Manipur. The first ever election held in India based on titled franchisee was held in the state of Manipur before it acceded to India. Okay, about the recorded history of kingship started from 33 AD, which marked the coronation of Pakhanba. After Pakhanba, a series of kings ruled over the kingdom of Manipur. The independence and sovereignty of Manipur remained uninterrupted until the Burmese invaded and occupied it for 7 years in the first quarter of the 19th century, 1819 to 1825. Okay, then came the British paramountcy in 1891. This Naga also British paramountcy in 1891. Okay, this Nagaland. The British then dissolved the Manipuri ruling dynasty by killing both crown prince and general. They killed. The British then established absolute dominion over the state of Manipur, though they placed another member of Manipur royal dynasty. His name was Choda Chand on the throne. The Manipur constitution and elections. On 15th August 1947, with the lapse of paramountcy of the British crown, Manipur became briefly independent. The Maharaja had acceded to India on 11th of August, whereby he ceded the central subjects to the union government but gained internal sovereignty over the state. However, this Hijam Irabot, a communist leader of Manipur, was one of the foreigners in mobilizing people and formed a political party of Manipur called Praja Sangh. Okay, he wanted independent Manipur with its own parliament, constitution, cabinet instead of a monarchical system. He wanted representatives of the people to administer the state, formed the basis of socialist pattern of society. Okay, the constitution of Manipur was framed in 1947. Okay, see, by the constitution making body under the initiative of President of Manipur State Darbar Pearson. Okay, although this did not become known in other parts of India owing to the relative isolation of the kingdom, the government of India did not recognize the constitution. See, they made the constitution by 1947 itself. Okay, but the government of India did not recognize the constitution under the provision of Constitution Act 1947, Manipur Constitution Act 1947. Assembly elections were held in 1948. This election is Manipur was first election held in India based on the adult franchise. See, the polity there was, ahead. The political system there was ahead of India. A few Manipuris favored integration with India and established the Manipur India Congress. Accession to India. The Maharaja of Manipur was invited to Shillong in September 1949 for talks with regard to the integration. An already prepared merger agreement was placed before the Maharaja on the first day of the meeting by Akbar Hydari. He was the governor of Assam at the time, whereby Manipur would be integrated into the Indian Union. The Maharaja stood firm that he could not sign the agreement, and because of that, Maharaja was placed under the house arrest and debarred from any communication with the outside world. Under such circumstances, Maharaja was forced to sign the merger agreement and with India on 21st of September 1949, and Manipur became Part C state of Indian Union. Aftermath. The way he was forced to sign the merger agreement with the Indian Union, it left a bitterness, and insurgent groups successfully tapped that thing, and a number of insurgent groups regarded the merger as illegal and unconstitutional, and many among the Manipuri intelligentsia are bitter about the way it was affected. In 1972, Manipur became the separate state within India. That's it. Thank you.